Hey guys, Lucas Sonance here, back to another video. In this video I'm gonna remake this Lucas Steve style track, Inception. So the final result will sound like this. So now let's dive into the remake. It's a fairly simple remake. We have the piano chords, the bass lines and the leads. So first, let's start off with the lead, sounding like this. So selecting the presets and we're gonna make it from scratch. First of all, put it up 16 unisons. It's a quite detuned sound, so then we're gonna shape envelope 1, something like this, and route it to the detune. Just something like this. Then shape the first envelope with a lower sustain, some release, and a bit of attack. Then we're gonna do the same for oscillator B, but 1 octave higher. So 16 unisons, detune down, and envelope 2 to the detune. Let's put the detune a bit up, just like this. Then some legato always, and a little bit of portamento. Then the filtering, low 24. The cutoff around here, envelope 2 to it, and some drive and fatness. So now the effects, some dimension, no hyper, and some chorus with a high pass filter, some EQ to cut off the lows for the chords and the bass line, and to boost the highs a bit. Too much, so just a little bit, and then some reverb and delay to finish it off. With a low cut for both, just like this. So now we're gonna dive into the chords, just simple true pianos, sounding like this, with a little bit of mixing on it. So first we have the low and high cut. This makes a difference in the low of the piano just to make room for the bass line. Then we open it up with some OTT for 38% and some reverb, delay, and make sure to cut off all the lows again. And then we'll add some sidechain, so that's for the chords. Now we're gonna make bass line. So it's sounding like this. It's a simple saw bass. So selecting a preset, lower down 2 octaves, shape envelope 1 like this, some attack. Then we're gonna shape the filter, low 24, cut off. Then route envelope 1 to the cutoff, to around here, some drive, quite a bit, some fatness, then the effects, some hyper dimension, to make the bass a bit wider, and some tube distortion, quite a bit, it's like a post, and route envelope 1 to cut off. Then we're gonna add some OTT for the reduction of the highs, and some chorus to finish it off. Just like this. So then we have all the elements, and all together they're sounding like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.